What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add image or pictures in your PDF file. So let's get into the video. Once you have opened your desired PDF file, I am currently using Adobe Acrobat. So if you're using it, the process is the same. You just have to go to if your window is currently looking like this, you just have to click on edit, and there will be an option image under the add content, and you have to click on image. Here the PDF reader will give you an option to browse your file or desired picture. So I'm going to desktop, and once I have selected my picture, click on open, and I just have to place it somewhere I want. Suppose I want it here. Now all I want is to change its size, and yeah, that's it. I have added picture or image in my PDF file, and you can just place it anywhere you want and just make it small or large. It's up to you. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.